this lady is not going to lie to the Chief Judge of the United States District Court.
She did.
Put her 3 years of law school and an entire career at risk to make sure she buries you in a misdemeanor trespass.
But she did lie.
That shit if you want to.
She lied in the motion, dude.
What did she lie and say, bro?
She said I was rioting for 4 hours and that I have a retail theft charge, which is false.
No, that's not a lie. That would be an error.
No, come on, an error?
The difference between a lie and an error is whether or not it's deliberate.
Oh, God, it's an error.
I mean, whether or not it's deliberate, but you know what can't be an error? You know, if she's up there telling the judge, this guy is not an informant, that's different from getting
She doesn't even know that the photo came from him, so how would we trust that she knows that?
But because if they're informant, their informant has to be working for the government, no?
What if he's DHS and she can't tell us?
Okay, well in that case, she's not lying and she's mistaken. The fuck? Hey, go take some morphine. They gave you, what kind of pills they gave you?
Motrin, dude.
Take 2 Motrin, get off my phone with these fucking hamster wheel ass questions you're giving me.
Dude, it's not fucking alarming to you that they literally said I was rioting for 4 hours to the judge?
That you were what?
Did you read the motion you just
said?
No,
I don't read. What am I reading for? I'm not your lawyer. You're not asking me for advice. When I give you advice, you don't take it. You say you got somebody else doing your sentencing. You're representing yourself. My job is to carry your bags and pass it on. If you want some kind of legal input from me, I'm sure you'll ask. At which point, then I might go do the work.
So my
right now, you're telling me go fuck myself on all your sentencing shit.
My question is this though: if the judge used parts of my motion to deem that it's irrelevant and it's a bunch of nonsense, he probably based it on statements that were either hearsay or incorrect or...
you know what he's basing it on? The fact that you cannot be entrapped under the circumstances of your case. I don't give a shit who did what. That guy could be undercover MacGyver. It could be everybody else in the room could be undercover. You crawl through that freaking window, there ain't an entrapment defense for you. I'm just telling you. So, maybe that's what he's basing it on. I don't know what he's basing it on, though. I'm not the guy making the statements. I don't know what he's thinking.
So if the government has an error where they say, oh, he's a thief and he rioted for 4 hours, how does that not ruin all the credibility in their entire motion?
Because facts still matter.
Yeah.
So if they're incorrect, then he'll be like, government, you're incorrect on this. You proved it. Oh, we're sorry, Judge. That was an error. That don't mean that everything else they say gets ignored, bro.
An error. That's so convenient.
I'm sure that what you think. I'm speculating that's what they're going to say. If you think they're going to say, hey, Judge, we deliberately tried to lie and mislead you, then I've never seen that happen in 30 years of practice. So I assume if it's incorrect, they're going to say, Judge, it's an error.
And the judge wouldn't start to... look at him with a side eye based on that?
Okay, but if he looks at him with a side eye, it doesn't change the fact that you don't have a trespassing entrapment defense to your trespassing charge.
Well, would that qualify as...
he freaking wants to.
Would that qualify as prosecutorial misconduct?
Not prosecutorial, no, that would not.
So they can lie in a motion to make the judge view me in a bad light. And that's
you have to establish that it is a lie and not an error. And if you can do that, you might have something, but you won't be able to do that because there's no way you can prove that.
So how can you establish that it's a lie and not an error?
You can't. That's my point. Fuck. Go away.
That's just fiction, bro.
Later.